Many of you know that I have used WordPress for a really long time, and I have a really soft spot in my heart for it because it's where I learned how to create websites. But after years of creating client websites on WordPress, my own website on WordPress, I have learned that there are many things that can slow the website down, which is not good for many reasons. But thankfully, there is a tool now that can fix this, and I'm going to share that with you guys in this video. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use WP Rocket, why site speed is so important, more important than people realize, and how to set it up without having to touch any code. Okay, now before I show you the power of WP Rocket, I want to take a minute to talk about why your site speed is so important and what search engines are really looking for. Google uses your site speed as a ranking factor. So if your site is slow, you are literally telling Google, it's okay to put me on the second or third page of the searches. And let me tell you guys, this is easily avoidable. But your site speed is not just about SEO, it is also about the user experience. Think about the last time you entered into a website, and if it took longer than a few seconds to load, you were probably out of there. And most people do click out when the site doesn't load quick enough. Studies consistently show that even just 1 or 2 seconds delay in your loading time tanks your conversions. So if you have a portfolio, if you have a shop, if you are just trying to get more leads, a slow site is not only costing you money, but it is probably costing you clients. So let's go ahead and fix this so we do not regret it later. WP Rocket is a WordPress performance plugin, and it is the one I tend to use the most often because not only is it so simple to set up, but it is the most effective option out there. So what makes it different than the free caching plugins that you probably already added to your WordPress site? Well, the moment that you activate this plugin, it basically implements over 80% of the web performance best practices for you. So you don't have to go digging through settings or Googling what the heck is minification. Another amazing thing is that WP Rocket is trusted by over 5 million websites, and it is the 4th most used plugin for WordPress sites in the whole world. And it's compatible with pretty much every theme and page builder and plugin that you are probably already using. So what are the features right out of the box with WP Rocket? Caching, which is basically saving a fast preloaded version of your pages so visitors get them instantly, and in turn making your site speed much better. It also comes with lazy loading for images, so your page is not working super hard to try and load every single image at once, and deferred JavaScript loading, which keeps heavy scripts from slowing down that initial load. And CSS and JavaScript minification, which is basically just removing all of the code bloat that might be slowing your website down. And preloading also comes right out of the box with WP Rocket so that the cached version is ready and loaded up before someone even enters into the page. Now, if you really want to squeeze out all of that extra performance that comes with WP Rocket, there are some advanced features that I want to share with you guys. The first one is to remove any unused CSS. Your site is probably loading up style sheets or things that you're not even using, and this will clean all of that up for you. The next is load JavaScript deferred, which basically, instead of loading any of the scripts that are slowing things down, this tells the browser to load the most important things before that. And the third is delay JavaScript execution. This basically takes it even a step further. It holds off on loading any scripts until the user starts interacting with the page. So things like scrolling or clicking, that is when someone's interacting with the page, and therefore those scripts can start to run. Plus, one of the things I love about WP Rocket is the support that you get with this plugin. This is hard to come by, and it is a huge benefit, and it can help you if you're new to WordPress or if you have any doubts on how this really works. And one of my favorite parts about WP Rocket, which is kind of hard to find nowadays because it's hard to reach a support person or someone that can guide you through troubleshooting or setting this up, and WP Rocket has an amazing support team that can help you if you have any doubts or if you need help troubleshooting anything while you set this up. So if you have a WordPress website, you want it to load faster, you want to land more customers, and you want it to rank better in Google, all without touching any code, then WP Rocket is going to be your new best friend. It is the plugin that I install on any of my clients' WordPress websites, and it is genuinely the easiest performance win that you can add to the website. So let's take a look at my client's WordPress website and let's speed it up. So once you grab the plugin from WP Rocket's website, you upload it here under plugins. I like to just select add new, and uploading a zip file is perfectly fine. So I'm going to say install now. And once we activate, that is genuinely it for the basics. It is already working for us. Okay, I wanted to share with you guys the actual GT metrics score for the website speed. We can definitely fix this up with the WP Rocket plugin, so I will show you guys the after results. Okay, let's take a look at our file optimization. So WP Rocket comes with these turned on, but it is important to know that your CSS and JavaScript minification will be running for you. What that means in simple terms is that it's stripping out all the extra spaces and characters in your website's code that the browser does not need. Your site will look exactly the same, it will just load faster. Now let's take a look at our media and lazy load settings. This one is huge, especially if you have a portfolio or a blog or any image-heavy pages or even any custom fonts. Lazy loading, it means that basically instead of loading every single image the moment someone lands on your page, it is only going to load what they can actually see and loads the rest as they scroll. And you can also enable font preloading, which automatically will detect and preload fonts used in the above the fold content to boost your performance. There's no manual setup needed for this. Think about the last time you clicked on a website and it stalled. That is usually images or fonts, and these settings here fixes it. Okay, and then in your preload settings, this tells WP Rocket to cache your pages proactively. So when someone lands on your site, the fast version is already queued up and ready, so definitely make sure to turn this on. Now, Rocket Insights is a new feature that WP Rocket now has, and it is amazing. It's actually using GT metrics to help you with your insights and giving you that score to see your site speed. But this one just got a really big upgrade. It is now completely free with your WP Rocket license. You don't need an extra subscription or any extra tools. You just get that global performance score, core web vital metrics, and smart recommendations that tell you exactly which settings to turn on to improve your score. And you can just do that with one-click buttons to apply them right then and there. You can also track up to 10 pages and set it to monitor them automatically with daily, weekly, or monthly tests. This is cool because you'll always know where your site stands. Okay, so here is the final score on GT metrics. You could see the score inside of your WP Rocket plugin, but I just wanted to show you guys here as well so we can see that before and after, and the score is looking so much better. So if you guys are interested in trying out WP Rocket, I have a link for you guys in the description below. I would love to hear if you've tried it out. I also would love to hear what your before and after scores are with your speed of your website. So let me know in the comments, and I would love to chat with you guys in the comments about this plugin and site speed and WordPress in general. But if this video was helpful and if you think you're gonna go try this out, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, especially if you want to see an actual WordPress website in the works, then be sure to subscribe for more, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.